Oh, I love your table.
Isn't it beautiful? I know, I love it.
And by table, Jazz means coffee table, not dining table.
Yeah, so they're not going to have a dining table at all in their dining area. So, I mean, I guess it's just a living room? Yeah.
And Luke's not alone on that hot take.
Someone deleted their dining room.
You say living and dining, not living.
That makes sense, mate. I don't know how you'd have a dining room in a 5-bedroom home, no dining room.
It's living and dining.
Like, if you want to wine and dine, you got a dining table.
Where's your dining table?
No, we're not missing a dining table. It's right there.
If they win this week, I'm going home. Back to Perth. I'll walk.
We've got a dining table outside. If we were to have a dining room table here, we wouldn't be able to get a decent-sized dining room table. We're about 1,500 mil shorter than everyone else, so we just don't have that depth in here.
I know you've got the big bench there, but not having a dining table in the dining room?
They said that it's because they're going to have an outdoor eating area, but I think they forget that this is Melbourne and not Queensland. You don't have outdoor dining all year round.
You can outdoor dine probably once or twice a year.
We're happy with how it looks, and this is our
Exactly.
interpretation of the space, and we're going to roll with it.
Yep.